Have you ever noticed the advertisement that appear alongside search results on Google and other search engines? It's one of the model of internet marketing and it's called pay-per-click advertising. Good morning, I'm Melvin Hakotina and I'm tasked to discuss to you the topic on pay-per-click advertising. Internet marketing means performing marketing activities such as advertising with the use of the web portal in order to make direct sales. Pay-per-click advertising is one of the most effective features of internet marketing. PPC is considered as effective tool of advertising as it helps in turning traffic towards online portal. In order to make display of advertisement, search engine is utilized. Effective analysis of website is required before starting pay-per-click advertising. Pay-per-click advertising is an online advertising model in which an advertiser pays a publisher every time an advertisement link is clicked on. Alternatively, PPC is known as the cost per click model. The pay-per-click model is offered primarily by search engines such as Google and social networks such as Facebook, X, Instagram, or TikTok. Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Twitter Ads are the most popular platforms of PPC advertising. In a pay-per-click agreement, advertiser only pays for qualifying clicks to the destination site based on a pre-arranged per-click rate. Popular PPC advertising options include pay-per-click advertising networks, search engines, and affiliate programs. Thus, more payment is generated with the increase in the total number of clicks. So, ibig sabihin, the more digital traffic, the more views, or the more clicks on your advertisements will generate more income. PPC major service providers includes Google AdWords, MSN Ad Center, Yahoo Search Marketing, PineWatt, AskJeeves, or Teoma. So, pinakamadalas natin ginagamit sa ngayon ay yung Google, di ba? At saka yung Yahoo. So, how exactly do PPC advertisement works? Okay, when you advertise on the TV, radio, or a billboard, it costs money to have your advertisement there instead of someone else. So, it's the same idea with online advertising and PPC. You have to pay in order for your advertisement to be displayed instead of other companies. The pay-per-click model is primarily based on keywords. For example, in search engines, online ads, also known as sponsored links, only appear when someone searches a keyword related to the products or service being advertised. Therefore, companies that rely on pay-per-click advertising models research and analyze the keywords most applicable to their products or services. Investing in relevant keywords can result in a higher number of clicks and eventually higher profits. So, ibig sabihin, if you have a good and effective keywords, mas madalas pinapasok or binibisit ng mga internet users or internet searchers. So, dapat you have a good keywords, no? For example, if it's eye-catchy yung keywords mo, mas mabilis nila or ma-engganyo silang i-visit yung links na attached to the keywords. So, how exactly do PPC advertisement works? The PPC model is considered to be beneficial for both advertisers and publishers. For advertisers, the model is advantageous because it provides an opportunity to advertise products or services to a specific audience who is actively searching for related content. In addition, a well-designed PPC advertising campaign allows an advertiser to save a substantial amount of money as the value of each visit or click from a potential customer exceeds the cost of the click paid to a publisher. While for publishers, the pay-per-click model provides a primary revenue. The Google and Facebook, which provide free services to the consumers, free web searches and social networking, and online companies are able to monetize their free product using online advertising, particularly the PPC model. So, nangyayari dito, yung advertisers, kinakabit lang niya to a certain link, no, yung ads niya, na hindi na kailangan gumastos ng malaki, no? Just like sa ibang advertisement methods like magpapalagay pa ng billboards, no? You have to pay certain minute or seconds lang dun sa TV, no, for the ads, no, mas mahal yon. And then ano pa, ayun, magpapagawa ng mga kung ano-anong mga merchandise wherein they will put yung mga uh, products, yung mga product names or yung mga logos nila para lang ma-promote yung product or the company. So dito mas nakakatipid sila, no, at saka there's an chance na mas mahaba or mas malawak ang ano ng reach ng kanilang ads, no. So what does a click consist of? Each click is the type of communication, most commonly a visit to your website, landing page or product, and shows how much attention your product or site is receiving. When you're utilizing a marketing budget or investing in a pay-per-click campaign, you are basically buying attention to whatever you are trying to funnel the consumer towards. It is important to strategize on where you are leading consumers and what products or services you are guiding them to with this form of advertising. In essence, you need to be careful you are not losing money if the margins are too small on products to which you are offering your consumers. So, what is pay-per-click ads? It is a model of online advertising where advertisers display their advertisements over online portal. Advertisers pay the amount to the host's website when their ads get clicked by the visitors. Uniform Research Locator or URLs with the ad symbol next to them are paid ads. So napapansin nyo, if you do a search on the internet like Google, makikita nyo dun sa link may mga katabing mga advertisements, no? So it's a form of pay-per-click advertisement yon. So companies have bid a certain amount to display at the top of the search query. Google search engine automatically assign the rank on the basis of the relevancy and validity of advertisement. In order to make the search easy for advertisement company, need to make effective keywords. As with the use of the keywords, their ads get an effective rank and they get searched easily. So napapansin nyo, if you search for something, meron yung 'di ba, from top to the bottom, may mga list ng links, no? So the one on top are the most commonly click or the most commonly visit links, no? With that, may makikita kayo mga katabing mga advertisement also. So what is paid ad display? Ad companies and networks typically set the PPC amount by a formula or bidding process. Google is the biggest and most well-known search engine. They use a bidding process to establish PPC. When you begin advertising with them, you bid on how much you are willing to pay per click on ads that contain specific keywords. So it is important to really define what keywords are most beneficial to your search queries and what drives and will drive the most traffic to your site or product. What are the types of pay-per-click ads? So one of which is video ads. These are promotional content that plays before, during, or after streaming content. So if you'll notice, if you're watching Netflix, minsan may mga nagpa-pop up na mga promotional videos, no? Na minsan it could be being promotional content for a certain company, products, no? So, ayun, yun yung mga types of video ads. Another one is image ads. It includes graphic to promote product or business. So, if you'll notice, yung mga iba't ibang mga kilalang mga brand, although kahit hindi na sila maglalagay ng mga pangalan, no? Just the logos, which is a representation of the company or the product. So, just like Starbucks, no? Without putting Starbucks as words dun sa just putting the logo, alam nating Starbucks yan. And another one is yung ibang mga companies naman, they put mga slogan, no? if you hear such kind of slogan, alam mo na it is about that particular product. So for KFC, yung tagline nila, it's finger licking good. Another example is text ads. It is a form of contextual advertising where a specific keyword within the text of a web page are matched with advertising information. So if you'll notice here, no, nandito yung mga links, no. On the right sides may mga advertisement na nakalagay. So if you search for something, no, for example, a certain company or a certain brand, so may makakita kang links, and on the side may mga ads na nakalagay. Another type of PPC ads is specialized ads. Use of promotional items such as printed stickers and membership cards that display company's logo or message. So, for example, sa medicine, sa amin, no, pharmaceutical companies usually put yung mga merchandise, nakalagay yung mga pangalan ng company nila, yung particular products, no? So, minsan naglalagay sila sa ballpen, naglalagay sila sa mga kung ano-anong mga products na like for example like that nakikita natin may mga mugs, no, naka-imprint yung mga logo ng company or the name of the products. Another one is product search ads. Placing digital advertisement inside search engine results. So example of which is the Shopee, no? If you search for Shopee, minsan pag nakapasok ka na dun sa landing page nila, you will see a lot of products, no, or advertisement, no, na sometimes nakakakuha ng attention, and then with that na inganyo kang mag-click dun sa ads. So with that nakakadagdag siya dun sa click dun sa particular link or the ads. The next one is list of product ads. These are the ads that show up when someone enters a product related search into Google. So, for example, if you're looking for a certain shoes, no, particular brand of shoes, so pag sinearch mo siya, lalabas, marami ka ng mga options doon, or lumalabas na yung other products like halimbawa Nike, no. If you look for some for particular shoes in Nike, so minsan lumalabas na yung other products, no, other types of shoes na pwede mong makita. So example yung picture nandito, nahanap niya yung New Balance for women's shoes, running shoes. Yun, makikita mo na iba't ibang products ng New Balance, no. So you can have options there. So what are the pay-per-click processes? So first, you have to create relevant keywords and ad groups. And then test ads and keywords if it's effective or not. And then use reporting tools to measure result, and you have to refine it, refine the campaign. You have to keep what is working and omit those who are not. To start a PPC campaign is easy, but what can be quite hard is to get the results you want whenever you start a new campaign. Generally, there are three processes that need to be successfully completed. One is research, number two is implementation, and number three is optimization. So each of these three phases is divided into several categories. First, you have to set the objective to attract the unique visitors to your pay-per-click advertisement. And next, you have to set right target at right time. So in order to target the traffic of your advertisement, you have to have a good and effective keyword, no. You have to do research what is good or effective keyword that will be used, no. Use appropriate keyword to reach more visitors. So dapat catchy, dapat enticing, or something worth clicking yung yung keyword para mas maraming visitors or click traffic, no. And then you have to have a good campaign structure, no. You have to build a campaign with strong keywords, no. The cornerstone of your campaign is a good keywords. The next one is to design your ads against your competitors. So ano ba yung wala dun sa competitor mo, or what makes you different from the other competitors, no. So para kakaiba, mas nakakatawag pansin, no? And of course, you have to do a very good landing page, no? So you have to take out the visitor to your target product. So with the content of your landing page, dapat it's worth visiting, no? Nandun yung mga necessary information that your visitors or the clickers that they want to know, no? Kung ano mga gusto nilang makita doon, gusto nilang makuha, or any information that will get that is effective for them. Another one is cost management. You have to plan your cost on valid conversion. So you have to discuss with the company that you're attached with, no? Which is attached with your advertisement, so that you will know whether you're gaining or not, or you're just losing money. And another one is track on a macro action basis. You have to track every keywords or key phrase to conversion a macro action basis. A poor result of particular keyword or key phrase doesn't mean you should drop it. It means your website should be better accommodated. So you have to assess whether your keyword is really working, or the key phrase. Sometimes if your keyword is that doesn't pop up easily, no, dun sa search engines, maybe there's a problem with it, no? Baka kailangan mong i-modify, or you have to do a better keywords, no? The next one is track on a micro action basis. Track every keyword or key phrase to conversion on a micro action basis. This clarifies how your visitors interact with your website's persuasive dialogue. So another one is select keywords based on buying process. You have to choose your keywords or key phrases based on an understanding of the buying process for your product or service. So sometimes sabi nga nila, if your keywords is directed, no, to a certain products, mas madali na i-search ng mga internet users, rather than minsan ang haba-haba. So minsan nalilito nahirapan silang maghanap dun sa link ng inyong website. So the more direct, the more clear, and the more mas mabilis hanapin, so mas mabilis or mas mataas yung digital traffic, mas maraming viewers o mas maraming clicks na ma-generate. Another one is to do campaign settings, no? You have to apply research technique to attract the visitors. So ano ba mga pwede mong gawin para mas makaka-attract ka ng mas maraming visitors or clickers dun sa website mo? So you have to modify siguro yung first, of course, yung keywords pa rin. And then, ano bang mga kailangang add-ons, no, na pwede mong ilagay para mas attractive siya dun sa mga internet users or searchers. So, you have to define metrics clearly. You have to calculate return on investment correctly. Divide the amount you spend per keyword or key phrase by your gross margin, which is the gross profit minus cost of goods sold on products or services bought from the keywords or phrase. If you want to generate leads, establish the base amount every lead is worth. Divide the amount you spend per keywords or key phrase by your value per lead. Next is to go broad, no? You have to focus on those keywords, key phrases with the greatest ROI before those with the most traffic or gross sales. And then you have to engage visitors in persuasive dialogue. Use commonly accepted architecture to anticipate visitors' frame of mind, plan the action you want them to take, and tell them what they want to know before they can take that action. You have to match ad copy closely with keywords so the visitor perceive the relevance. So, if you have a relevant keywords, no, and then with that keywords, they will be able to click and visit your landing page. Your landing page should have the necessary information that they wanted to know, no? Kung maraming laman yun, or effective, or worth visiting yung website, they will go pabalik-balik lang silang pumunta doon or magbi-visit doon sa website mo, and that will generate more clicks eventually. So here are the rules of preparing PPC ads, no? First you have to outline the goal of advertising, no? You have to check or you have to know ano bang goal ng paggawa ng ads na to, no? It is the purpose na kailan bang kumita or it will generate more followers, no? Para maging household name ba yung products that you're endorsing. So ayun, yung you have to define the goal that you would like to take, no? And of course, you have to define the budget. You should know the budget, no? Ano bang kailangang budget, magkano, anong source ng budget na ito, no? Para matuloy. Of course, the campaign should be on a particular theme structure, no? Ano bang tema ng ads na gusto mong i-promote, no? So, ano ba to? You have to advertise certain type of program, advocacies, or products. And then you have to utilize dedicated landing page. So if you have the link or the website, you should have a very effective landing page, no? Ano bang mga ilalagay mo dun sa landing page? Is it worth visiting ba? Ano mga information that you would like to put in there, no? Na pwedeng makatulong or useful sa mga internet users, no? Or the visitors of your website. And of course, you have to consider the respective audience. So ano ba yung mga particular audience target mo? Mga millennials ba? Mga boomers? Mga Generation X? No? Mga estudyante ba? O yung mga working groups na? And of course, you have to call strongly to action, no? Once you're ready, you have to engage the advertisement and then monitor kung ito'y working or hindi, no? And make installation of conversion tracking. So para naman malaman kung it's really working at kumikita, no? If the visitors or the clicks that you're getting is really being converted into income or namamonetize ba, no? Kumikita ba yung advertisement mo or the website that you created. And then you have to monitor the campaign if it's effective, no? Napapansin ba, nabibisit ba, yung campaign ba is effective, marami bang nagiging followers, ayun. And then you have to assess the performance correctly. So tingnan mo rin kung it's really performing well, no? May mga visitors ba, ano bang nagiging hadlang kung bakit hindi na napapansin or masyadong nabibisit yung websites, no? You have to assess that. So what are the benefits of pay-per-click advertising? Of all the marketing strategies and advertising methods, pay-per-click campaign is the quickest method to be listed on the top pages of search engines with n number of benefits. So because there's an instant result within the next second of PPC advertising activation, and thus it helps in increasing the speed of markets. So ibig sabihin, kahit kaka-activate mo lang or kaka-engage mo lang dun sa advertisement mo, a few seconds, ang dami mo ng followers or viewers, no? Marami ng reactors or visitors, no? So with that, na-advertise mo na yung certain product or the kung ano man yung gusto mong i-advertise. And then you have a complete control over your budget, no? Pwede kang magdagdag or magbawas, no? According to the response or according to the performance of your ads. And then it provides facility to target your audience in any country, region, or city, no? It helps in advertising locally as well as globally. So ang initial target mo halimbawa is local, no? And if it's effective, you can have it globally, no, eventually. So with just sa internet ngayon, you can reach anywhere, no? From local to international. And then changing of advertisement content anytime with instant reflex. So pwede kang magbago, pwede kang mag-edit, pwede kang magdagdag ng mga add-ons or revise if you want to. And then editing of budget settings anytime. So just as well I've said a while ago, pwede kang mag-adjust according to the response ng mo or performance of your campaign or your ads, no? So, pwedeng magdagdag or mabawas ng budget. And then, it increases marketing investment return. So, the more clicks that you'll get, the more visitors, the more traffic, mas mataas or mas malaki yung income that you will be generating. Another benefits of pay-per-click advertising is that bidding amount can be changed anytime. So you can adjust, you can revise the bidding amount if you want to. And then anytime can post, delete or add your advertisement. So sometimes if your advertisement is not getting attention or not effective, you can delete it or revise it. You can post it, no? And of course you can put any thing that could make it more attractive and para mas madalas mabisit yung particular ads or website that you created. And then daily budget can be fixed so that no more amount will be deducted from your account. So pwede kang mag-set ng budget per day, no, para hindi ka naman malugi. So per particular day, no, you have to set an amount na yun yung pinaka-ceiling, no, but beyond that wala nang madadagdag. And then unlimited key phrases can be added in PPC advertising with instant results. So sabi ko nga, with your keywords or key phrases or pwede kang magdagdag, magbawas or baguhin or revise it para maging effective or para mas mabilis mapansin or it could generate more attention and more visitors on your particular website. What are the factors affecting PPC advertising? Number one is creating a catchy ad copy such as title, text, URL is very important because it helps capture attention, drive clicks, improve relevance, enhance brand perception, and maximize the effectiveness of advertising efforts such as return on investment. So, kagaya ng sinasabi natin paulit-ulit, it should have a effective title, text, URL or keywords para mas mabilis or mas madalas mapansin ng mga internet users para mas mabilis din i-search para ma-visit ng mas madalas. Another one is keyword specific landing pages it contribute to improve search engine ranking so that search engines because search engine recognize the relevance of the content to your search queries. Should have high quality content, relevant, and provide clear calls to action. So, if you have the very effective keyword, and this keyword will direct you to a certain landing page that you have created. Kung maganda yung content ng landing pages mo, maraming information, which is effective or which is useful to those internet users, mas madalas nila i-visit yon. So, halimbawa, kung wala namang kalaman-laman yung landing pages mo, parang walang kwenta, so, minsan, pag napansin nila na, ay, wala namang laman to, so, hindi nila i-visit dyan. Eventually, they will look for another keyword or certain links na mas effective sa kanila or mas nakakatulong sa kanila. Okay? Another factors that affects the PPC advertising is that there should be a continuous tracking of overall campaign. It is essential for monitoring performance, identifying areas of improvement, and maximizing the return of investment. And also, it helps in making informed decisions to optimize your campaigns, improve in performance, and achieve advertising goals. So, dito, malalaman mo if there's a really na if the campaign is really taking off how about the performance, kumikita ba, nag-generate ba ng maraming views or clicks and of course kumikita ba, na-monetize ba. PPC advertising can be best suited for the following options. One is product purchase through online, form completion or signing up, white paper or research pack reports such as ebook download, event registration, and service inquiry. Commonly, pay-per-click advertising rates are determined using the flat rate model and bid-based model. With the flat rate model, advertiser pays a publisher a fixed fee for each click. And publishers generally keep a list of different PPC rates that apply to different areas of their websites. And note that publishers are generally open to negotiations regarding the price, and a publisher is very likely to lower the fixed price if an advertiser offers a long-term or high-value contract. While in a bid-based model, each advertiser makes a bid with a maximum amount of money they are willing to pay for an advertising spot. Then a publisher undertakes an auction using automated tools, and an auction is run whenever a visitor triggers that spot. You have to note that the winner of an auction is generally determined by the rank, not the total amount of money offered. So the rank considers both the amount of money offered and the quality of the content offered by an advertiser. Thus, the relevance of the content is as important as the bid. So napapansin niyo yung mga if you look at or nagsisearch kayo for certain keywords, no? Napapansin nyo from top to bottom yung sinong nasa taas, yun yung mga mas madalas na bibisit or mas maraming digital traffic. In pay-per-click advertising, you have to consider also the consumer persona. So, understanding exactly who you are marketing to is critical. And there are features in AdWords and Facebook ads that allow you to target certain segments of the population. So, ano ba yung mga target na population mo? Whether mga boomers pa, mga Gen Z, mga millennials, no? Ano ba itong mga working groups ba to? Students, no? Or mga retirees. Okay, you can select by the most common demographics such as gender and age. So, kaya ng sabi ko kanina, what type of certain age, no? Mga ano ba, millennials, Gen Z, mga senior citizens, like that. And also, you can target by zip code and interest, no? By regional naman to, by location, no? Ano ba, provincial, urban, or rural, no? And then the interest, ano ba mga interest nito? Sa sports ba, agriculture, no? Wellness, or health. Pay-per-click advertisement also poses problems such as click frauds, no? Click fraud occurs in pay-per-click online advertising when a person, automated script, or computer program imitates a legitimate user of a web browser clicking on an ad for the purpose of generating an improper charge per click. Ito yung mga illegal clicks na na-generate to a certain website or links na para lang mag-appear na madalas na binibisit, no? Para maka-generate ng clicks para siguro para mas mapunta doon sila doon sa most commonly visited websites, no? So ayun, kasi if you have more clicks, no, the more income that you will get. So what are the type of click frauds, no? We have the basic clicker cheat, proxy clicker cheat, multiple computer clicker cheat, software clicker cheat, paid clicker cheat, no, click rings cheat, visitor cheat, spam cheat, or click-through rate cheat, no? Ang dami pala. What are the strategies in order to prevent click frauds? One is that you have to monitor your campaigns. You have to limit your advertisement to specified countries, know where your advertisements are displayed, have a different bid price for content targeted sites, target high value sites, and monitor results with a web analytic tool, and use click tracks. So in summary, PPC or pay-per-click is one of the most commonly used and effective forms of digital marketing. Understanding what keywords you need to compete for is critical to your content creation strategy. Understanding just how much you are willing to spend to attract clicks of certain customers is very important. Planning out what the customer profile is for your product is also necessary. Having all aligned will help you to reach the right people at the right time, and then skillfully guide them to your website or product page to make a purchase. And that's my last slide. Thank you for your kind attention.